Let's explore Python function arguments. In this video, you'll learn about the different types of function parameters and how to use them effectively. Get ready to understand how to pass arguments to your functions and make your code more flexible and reusable. First, let's define what functions are. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They help organize your code, avoid repetition, and improve readability. A function can accept inputs, also known as arguments, and return outputs, making them powerful building blocks in Python programming. Here's the basic syntax for a function. The keyword def is used to define a function, followed by the function name, such as greet. Inside the parentheses are the parameters the function accepts, in this case, name. The indented block contains the function's code, including an optional documentation string enclosed in triple quotes. This example creates a message and returns it. Finally, the function is called with the argument Python developer, and the result is printed, producing the output, hello, Python developer. Now let's understand the basics of positional arguments. Positional arguments are the most basic type of function arguments. They are passed to functions in the order they are defined. Remember, order matters and arguments are matched by position. All positional arguments are required. Missing arguments will cause errors. Here's an example. We define a function called calculateRectangle that takes two arguments, length and width. The function calculates the area of the rectangle. Now, if we call the function with 10 and 5, the area will be 50. However, if we reverse the order and call the function with 5 and 10, the area is still 50, but the interpretation is different. Therefore, position of arguments is important. Let's learn about default arguments. Default arguments allow functions to have optional parameters. They provide fallback values when arguments are not passed. These are optional parameters with predefined values. Default values are used when no argument is provided, increasing function flexibility. However, it's important to note that default arguments are evaluated only once, at function definition. Here's an example of how it works. We define a function called greet that takes a name and an optional greeting, which defaults to hello. If we call the function with only the name Alice, it will use the default greeting and output, hello Alice. However, if we provide a custom greeting like hi for Bob, it will output hi Bob. Be careful with mutable default arguments. Using mutable objects like lists or dictionaries as default arguments can lead to unexpected behavior. Default arguments are evaluated once when the function is defined, not each time the function is called. Here is a solution. Use none as the default value and create a new mutable object inside the function. Let's look at some examples. The problematic code shows a function addItem that appends an item to a list. When called multiple times, it modifies the same list. The better approach, addItemFixed, uses none as the default and creates a new list each time if no list is provided. Now let's learn about keyword arguments. Keyword arguments are passed to a function with the parameter name equals value syntax. Arguments are identified by parameter names, so order doesn't matter for keyword arguments. These can be mixed with positional arguments. This improves readability and flexibility, especially for functions with many parameters. Here's an example. We define a function createProfile with parameters name, age, occupation, and city. We can call this function using keyword arguments, specifying the values for each parameter by name. We can also mix positional and keyword arguments, providing some values by position and others by name. Now let's talk about arbitrary positional arguments. *args allows a function to accept any number of positional arguments. The arguments are collected into a tuple inside the function. This accepts variable length argument lists. Arguments are accessible as a tuple. The name args is convention. Any name works. The asterisk is what matters, not the name args. Here is an example. We define a function sumAll that uses asterisk numbers to accept any number of arguments. The function calculates the sum of all the numbers provided. We can call the function with different numbers of arguments, and it will correctly compute the sum. We can also unpack a list into positional arguments using the asterisk. Now let's dive into arbitrary keyword arguments. Double asterisk keyword arguments allows a function to accept any number of keyword arguments. The arguments are collected into a dictionary inside the function. This accepts variable length named arguments. Arguments are accessible as a dictionary. Keys are the parameter names, values are the arguments. Keyword arguments is short for keyword arguments, but any name works. Here is an example. We define a function createUser that uses double asterisk user info to accept any number of keyword arguments. The function creates a user dictionary and updates it with the provided keyword arguments. We can call it with various keyword arguments, and it will create the user profile. We can also unpack a dictionary as keyword arguments using a double asterisk. Let's explore combining different argument types. Python allows combining different argument types in a single function. Required order is positional or regular parameters, asterisk args, positional varargs, keyword-only parameters, and double asterisk keyword arguments, keyword varargs. This flexibility makes Python functions highly versatile and able to handle complex parameter needs. Here's an example of how to combine different argument types. We define a flexible function that includes required positional arguments, default parameters, asterisk args for arbitrary positional arguments, keyword-only parameters, and double asterisk keyword arguments for arbitrary keyword arguments. Let's summarize the best practices. Use positional arguments for required inputs that have a natural order. Use keyword arguments for optional parameters and better readability. Be cautious with mutable default arguments. Use asterisk args and double asterisk keyword arguments when flexibility is needed, but not by default. Use clear parameter names that express their purpose. Document function arguments with documentation strings. Here is an argument type summary. Positional arguments are required and order matters. Default arguments are optional with predefined values. Keyword arguments are named arguments for clarity. Asterisk args are a variable number of positional arguments. Double asterisk keyword arguments are a variable number of keyword arguments. Here are some further resources. Python documentation, function arguments. PEP 3102, keyword-only arguments. PEP 570, positional-only parameters. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.